What's up guys, this is Nitin here. This is part 4 video on C programming concept. Let's start. In this lecture, we do basic program and understand it. So let's print the hello world and print your name. Open your code block, create a new project, console application, code, next, C, next, print name. This is the project name, finish it. So what is this structures tell us? As I said in my previous video, these two are a header file, include file. So basically what header file tell us? Header file tells the compiler to include information about the standard input output libraries. These two are libraries. Header file tells the compiler to include information about the standard input output libraries. These lines appear at the beginning of many C source file, for example. And what is the main function? Main function is defined to be a function that expects no argument, which is indicated by empty list, square bracket, and the statement of a function are enclosed in the breaks, and the function main contains only one statement, printf, hello world, your line. A function is called by naming it, followed by a parenthesized list of arguments. So this calls the function printf with the argument hello world, new line. Printf is the library function that prints output. In this case, the string start. In this case, the string of character between the double quotes. A sequence of character in double quotes like hello world and new line is called a character string or string constant. So now I think you are understanding this whole structure. Let's change it by your name to print your name. String constant are written between the double quotes. So for printing your name, write your name. My name is Nitin. And now for new line, just write backslash n. Now what basically said by this program? Print the function main, which is in library, in double quote, in string constant. My name is Nitin. Just build and run it. My name is Nitin. So I think you got to understand the concept of this video, whatever the structure I showed.
So, see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you. So, see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe.